Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This truck did not come with a rear mounted camera. Typically they're right here in the tailgate. So we had to buy an aftermarket camera and we mounted it on the rear ourselves and then run the wire up front to the cab. Stick around and see how we do. Alright, what's in the box is we have the mirror slash camera here. It's got a camera on the front side of the mirror. It actually just latches over top of the mirror, the factory mirror that's already in the truck on the windshield. It secures to that mirror by these rubber straps. This is your power supply. Just plug it into your cigarette lighter. This comes with a GPS signal or GPS receiver. You can plug that in the mirror and it keeps track of your speed. And then the rear camera here, that's what we will be putting on the back of the truck. And then that has a couple different sticky pads and screws as options for mounting this on. It also comes with the instruction book and a little tool here that helps either remove some paneling for you or tuck the wires behind the paneling. Let's get inside and see how we start doing it. Okay, and again we're putting this in a Ford F-150 2015 model. That's the factory mirror that comes. And as you can see, this is already bigger. It looks like it's going to fit. You got to stick it out to the side just enough to where that front camera gets beside here. And then it's actually almost a perfect fit over top of that mirror. And then take your rubber straps, pull it around tight. Actually go the other way. Start at the bottom. There you go. And then do it on that other one. There. Now, that's there, pretty secure. It's not going anywhere. Alright, this is the rear camera here. Just hooking it up, make sure which way up or down. Looks like with the hinge on the top. And that's what the picture looks like. Pretty clear picture. It's not as much quality as the front. The front camera, I believe, is 4K. This one back here is not. What we did for the front side, or for the power source, we just ran it. We'll tuck it in here. Ran it all the way around the top, down the lip, come across here, tuck it behind this molding here. That's the only place you can see it there. Went under the dash. And then you get to see it. There's power. You only get to see a little bit right there. Pretty clean install there. Now we have to do the back camera. Okay, we're going to opt in for using this double-sided sticky tape. We're just going to put it on the license plate. You got your power cable or your signal cable coming from the mirror. It runs all the way to the front of the truck. And then, since we really ultimately want just a backup camera, we're going to tie this red wire into the reverse light. That way when the reverse light turns on, our camera should turn on display in the cab. So we'll work backwards. Since I can't really slide this through any holes or any tight spots, we'll work backwards here, start the camera here, and then just run the wire all the way up to the front, into the cab, and plug into the mirror.
Take two.
Take two. Alright, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to tie this red wire into the reverse light. Went ahead and took the tail light off the truck and found out which. This top connector is the brake and tail light, running light. This bottom connector is your backup or reverse light. Probed it out and found out that the green wire here is the actual hot. The other wire is going to be your ground. So I'm going to take one of these quick splices and actually just run it through like this and then feed my red wire in, and then I take my pliers and just crimp it down, and that will make a good connection. And then you fold it up. Good to go. Now we can put the light back on. Just a matter of plugging her back in. sliding in here. Pop it in place, put my 2 screws back in. That is an 8mm or 5/16. Got to mount the rear camera to the license plate. This is how it ends up looking. Got a pretty good view. I can see out to the edge of the truck on both sides. We ran most of the cable under the truck up there, and then we just routed it down. This is some of the footage from this camera. It actually shows, we've actually got the camera on the front and then the camera on the rear. This particular version will show you a couple different options on the screen. The one on the right is the rear camera. The one on the left here is the front camera. Show rear camera. Okay. Then I can switch it to just the rear camera, and I can actually take it and move it up or down depending on the angle I want to look at whenever I'm backing up. Show front camera. Okay. This one does the same. Kind of cool how this screen is actually touch screen, but I can again move it up or down. You can tap it. You can go through a bunch of different settings. I don't have the GPS hooked up to it right now, so it's shading out some of those settings that typically would be there. Set it up like you want. You can set it up to do loop recording, to where when you're going down the road, it will run for 1 minute or 3 minute intervals, I believe, and then it will just reset or rewrite over the previous file. By installing it back there the way we did, it's supposed to turn on the rear camera automatically once we put the vehicle in reverse. All right, that's all for this video. Go ahead and wrap it up. Appreciate you watching. Stick around, see what we get into next.